The main remote for all 5 TVs, there's 3 different activities, 3 ways that you can operate the system. It's all based upon Apple TVs, so there's 3 Apple TVs. The remotes are here, which I'll get to in a second. The first activity, and to get to activities, hit the touchscreen where it says activities. And then Apple TV times 1 is gonna display Apple TV 1 on all 5 TVs. So the same video feed on all 5 TVs.
So we have to get one more. Oh, it's coming out. Okay.
Yeah, 2 of them are gonna turn on, the middle one right now. So now this remote the Logitech remote will only control Apple TV 1 as well as this remote. So right now I can use this to control everything, or I can use this, but that's only Apple TV 1.
Okay.
So volume works on this remote for the main TV and for this one. So these 2 will do volume and control Apple TV 1. In the event you want to have 2 things going on, go back to the activity selection.
Okay.
Apple TV X2, which will display 2 of the Apple TVs divided amongst the 5 TVs.
Okay.
Main TV will be Apple TV 2 here. We'll see how they, yeah. So these 2 are 2 and that's 1. Now.
The frame is 1 also?
Yeah, frame will remain 1, always. Frame will always be 1, as well as the bar TV will always be identical.
Okay.
Apple TV 2, now we're using this remote. There will not be volume on Apple TV 2. So anything that you want to hear needs to be played through the main TV, Apple TV 1.
Or that one, right?
No.
No.
For audio to play through the system, yes, this will control, yes, you can use this remote, but Apple TV 1
dominates.
Yes.
That's the one that you point it to that one, and that's the
volume.
one. Okay.
So
It
nothing on
controls-
these will be able to play volume. So whatever you want for the main feed, put there.
Okay.
And then the third selection would be to have 3 sources, Apple TV, so 3 Apple TVs playing simultaneously, all controlled by their unique remote. Again, Apple TV 1 stays on main TV and is played through the shop speakers, volume on both of these remotes.
Okay.
And now if I want to change Apple TV 2, it's this remote, and then Apple TV 3,
They're labeled 3.
it didn't power on, but it will. Give it a second.
Okay. That's 2, and that's 1. This is Apple TV 3.
Which the only time you can ever use Apple TV 3 is by this TV by itself. You can't put it on anything else.
Okay.
So this is if you want 3 different games on, news over here, whichever way you want to divide it.
Okay.
Now, let's just say we have a game on. YouTube TV is your cable source where you'll find live TV. Here is the Texas A&M football game being displayed on Apple TV 1. If we want to play it on all TVs, I go back. Apple TV 1 will now play on all 5.
Okay. I think let's just keep it set up as that, and it takes a little bit to do that. Okay.
It does.
Yeah.
It just has to resolve itself.
Okay.
But
Okay, there we go. Yeah,
now
that's the
everything
simplest thing, is to have everything on the same channel. But if someone wants to dive in and watch something different, they can go deeper.
Sonos, if you want to play on the outdoor speakers,